Cash out is one of the 1xBet best feature, but should you use it early? Before we continue, make sure to create your official 1xBet account using our exclusive promo code BUTV to receive an incredible 300% bonus on your first deposit. Here's how it works. Click to registration, choose one of the 4 available methods, for example by email, fill in with all your personal details, and here in the promo code section, click BUTV. Then click to register and make your first deposit, for example $100, and instantly receive a 300% bonus. That's an extra $300, making your total balance $400 to start betting with. Don't miss this opportunity to boost your game with one of the most trusted betting platforms in the world. Now let's back to the video. First of all, where is it located? Once you have opened a bet, you can go to the history, and here you will have all the bets when you will be able to make your cash out. So cash out early if your team is winning but losing momentum. Protect your profit. Don't cash out if the match is still under control and odds favor your bet. Use partial cash out if you want both safety and risk. And on bottom line, early cash out is smart for risk management, but patience often brings bigger wins. So use this simple suggestion, and if you enjoyed this video, put like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.